Hello and welcome. So today we are taking a look at the Bang Olufsen Beolit 20 portable speaker. This is going to be a successor to the Beolit 17. So luckily for me, I'm able to get one here in the studio today. So I'll be unboxing this and doing a quick sound test to give you all an idea of its performance and quality. And also I'll be giving my initial impressions about it. So without wasting time, let's begin. Let me just get my unboxing knife quickly. Here we go. Okay. Oh. Voila. Ooh. Wow, it's quite heavy. Oh my god, I didn't expect it to be this heavy. So nothing else in the box. That's pretty much it. Let me just put this down. And here we go. And then here we have your instruction manual. And then there is another box here. So this contains your USB-C charging cable. And then you've got a plug as well in here. Crested with Bang Olufsen there. So here is the speaker itself. Let me just open it quickly. Voila, here we go. The Beolit 20. Yeah, the lunchbox speaker. As you can see, it looks like a lunchbox. Nice premium build quality, to be honest. I can't complain. Have real genuine leather here. At the top here, it has a wireless charging pad here, so you can put a Qi compatible device and charge it up on the go. I think it's 5 watts, but well, it's there for you to use if you want to use it. You've got your buttons here. You have your power button, Bluetooth connect button, play and pause, and then you have your volume rockers. And then at the back here, you've got USB-C charging, as you can see, which is really good. And then you've got your auxiliary port for wired listening. And then underneath, you've got your rubber grips to help keep it firm on the table. And to be honest, it's quite heavy. I think these would weigh around 3 kilograms. So now it's time for the sound test. So please put on your headphones, as this is going to be a binaural recording. So let's test the Beolit 20 and see how it performs.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place. Float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look up and feel the shifting winds tossing us around again. Hold tight, you're ready to begin and just levitate. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Alright, so as you all have heard from the first sound impressions, this is very powerful. I think the bass on this is similar to what you get on the Citation 200 and the Onyx Studio 6. I think this has much more bass than the JBL Extreme 3, to be honest. I think the treble is slightly boosted. Although you can tweak it using the Beoplay app, you can tone it down a little bit. Overall, I'm quite impressed. It's got very full-bodied sound, and I also think it's an omnidirectional speaker as well, so you can hear it from all angles. I will be doing some further comparisons with the likes of the JBL Extreme 3, the Citation 200, which I have behind me there, and the Onyx Studio 6, so make sure you all subscribe for that. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and feel free to check out other videos on this channel. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the red subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you will always be notified each time I upload a new video on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.